You want to know what's inside this box? Me too. Join me. Let's find out. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? Jim here, and welcome to the channel. Here we do review videos, how-to videos, and unboxing videos. So if you're interested in videos like that, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. I got the orange one. Yeah, I totally forgot about the color. But look at that. Woohoo! Okay, first things first, we have the camera set up right there. Got 5 cameras right off the bat, and one of the cameras here is 200 MP. But honestly, I don't know if I would really notice it. But anyway, this thing is a beauty. Yeah, see, there's this Samsung logo here, and I could actually feel it. And the rest is just smooth. Even with this little thing here, there's a writing over there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a writing there. You can't really feel it, but the Samsung logo, yes, I could. Smooth, smooth. All right. Okay. This one here. What else do we have? Let's see. Documentation. Okay, so I've got the cable, USB-C to USB-C, and the SIM tray pin. That's about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this for the very first time. Yeah, ooh, look at that. Whoa, very, very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very smooth. Oh man, it really looks premium. Like I can tell you right now, it really feels and looks like a premium product. Of course, there's the S Pen. Like, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So let's find out what's up top here. We've got 2 mics. We've got the camera, front camera. I think it's 10 MP as well. On the side, you have the volume rocker. You have the on button there. On the other side, there's nothing much. And of course, you've got the camera going on here. At the bottom, you have the S Pen. And I like this, the Samsung Z Fold 6. They don't have it says S Pen compatible, but this has an actual built-in S Pen there. And the SIM tray card, another mic, USB-C, as well as a speaker. So this one has only one speaker right there. Okay, the back. So let's look at the cameras here. So this is the wide angle, this is the zoom, this is the regular. All right, let's try this and turn this on for the very first time. This is what a flagship phone should look like. Yeah, with the orange on the back, the camera set up right there, and then you have a finished aluminum frame, titanium maybe. Wow, and you have the camera, front camera right there. I mean, wow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try using my SIM on the other phone, transfer it over here, and see how this thing works. But that's pretty much it. You have the phone, you have this, you have the USB-C cable, you have the SIM tray pin, and some documentations. That's pretty much it. Okay. But the phone itself, like, I'm impressed. I'm actually truly impressed with this. Yeah, like it feels good. It doesn't feel like you're about to let go of the phone. The look is very good. It's very premium. I love the orange color on the back. The finished armor frame looks really elegant too. So like I said, It screams premium, it screams elegance, and I'm loving this so far. All right, beautiful people. What I'm gonna do in the next few weeks or maybe even a month is I'm gonna try to use this. And once I have like a full understanding of the phone and a full experience, I'm gonna do a review of the Samsung S24 Ultra. And maybe perhaps I could also do a comparison between this phone and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and see, which one I like better. I don't know. All right, beautiful people, I do have a quick question for you. What do you think about the Samsung S24 Ultra? If you had any experience with it, please share it with us down in the comment section below. Or if you're thinking about buying a phone or upgrading and you're thinking about getting the Samsung S24 Ultra, share it with us. Let me know down in the comment section below. That is it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, smash that like button. If you have not, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that notification bell. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.